Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Nicolas. Today I'm going to present analysis of the project Educativo Institutional PEI of Centro Educativo Boca Grande, an official public educational institution located in López de Micay, Cauca, Colombia. Start. About the institute. Centro Educativo Boca Grande is a public rural institution that serves the students from preschool to basic primary education. The school operates in a multicultural Afro-Colombia context which strongly influences its pedagogical approach. The institution follows an education model that promotes cultural identified country values and inclusive education. The PEI reflects the social, culture, and economic release of the community on a seek to provide integral education focused on academic development, ethical values, and social responsibility. Analysis of complies with Decree 1860 of 1999. And the PEI clear defense in mission and vision is emphasize integral information, cultural, identity, and community participation. And the here is fully met. Second, pedagogical model. The document explains the pedagogical approach which a base of participation learning and contextualized education is promotes meaningful learning connect to student realize this student is qualified the best and current plan and study plan. The PEI includes a general description of the curriculum aligned with national standards. However, in some sections, the curriculum could by more detailed special recording, evaluation criteria, and cross-curricular projects. Uh, on the other hand, strength of the PEI. On the major strength is the strong cultural identified educational focus. The document reflects the social and cultural context of the community, which makes education more developed and meaningful for students. Another strength is community involvement. Parents and local leaders are included in decision-making process. Additionally, the PEI promotes both education and integral formation, not only academic exchange element. Weakness of the PEI. One weakness is that some sections lack and adapted information. Certain strengths that they could be used to project current educational change such as digital literary and braille education. Another limiting with the some components like current planning and evaluation strength could be more detailed and practical. Recommendation is recommended to retire the PEI periodically, including current educational policy and the technical international strategy. strategy. Second, update the PEI in accordance with current regulations issued by Ministry of Education. Strengthen the institutional evaluation component by increasing the clear initiatives. Improve the organization and writing for the document, ensure great clarity. Include more detailed and contextualized pedagogy strategy. Um, Conduct periodic review with the participation of the educational community. In conclusion, the PEI of Centro Educativo Boca Grande complies with the main requirement established by Decree 186 of 1994. It reflects the identity and the needs of the community and promotes integral education. However, it requires adaptation and great speciality in some components to strengthen its impact and effectiveness. Thank you, teacher, very much.